Hi everyone, my name is Wilder Garcia, and in this video I'll be talking about the step number 2 for the final task in the English phonetics course. The step 2 said that I need to record a second video showing myself pronouncing the text below. Two women are at a bar in New York. They are friends. One slaps the other on her behind. The other woman does not know this. She does not know that her friend slaps her. She does not see it. She thinks it is the bouncer. She gets angry. She goes up to him. She starts to shock him from behind. The bouncer falls to the ground. Police arrest the woman, but later they let her go. Thank you so much.